It takes money to make money. The success of your small business will depend on whether you have adequate capital needed to start and run the business. However, it is not easy, especially if you do not have the money and resources, or you do not know where to get the funds you need, especially in these tough economic times. Here are your options for financing your small business. Fund the business using your own resources and savings. Before deciding on starting a business, you may want to save enough money first. Your savings must be enough to launch the business, provide for your family for at least 6 months, and allow you to run the business. Use credit cards. Credit cards are an expensive source of funds, but it is the most accessible and easiest to get. You can use your credit cards to purchase the equipment and inventory you need. Credit cards may not be the wisest route to financing a business, but surely beats reading rejection letters from banks. Borrow money from your family and friends. Family members and friends are the most accessible sources of funds. The downside, of course, is that misunderstandings can occur, especially if you are unable to repay them, or provide them with the returns they are expecting, which could adversely affect your personal relationships. When borrowing from family and friends, make sure expectations are clear, especially in terms of repayment. If you can make it clear in writing, do so. Apply for a bank loan. However, do not make the mistake of thinking that a great business plan is enough for banks to approve your loan. Even if you have a great business idea, your loan application can be denied if you do not have any equity investment, less than stellar personal credit, or collateral. The credit crunch has especially affected small and home-based businesses, with many indicating that they cannot get any financing from banks. Look for an investor. Investors can be people in your community, such as your piano teacher, accountant, lawyer, or bankers. Or they could be angel investors or venture capitalists. Understand, however, that investors are interested in getting back their money, with interests. So you need to have a solid plan on how they can recoup their investments, and earn from the money they put into your business. Be prepared to give up some control of your business, if you want investors to come in. If you cannot raise the funds, you need to have alternatives and backup plan. Should you launch a downscaled version of the original? Will you postpone starting the business until you have all the resources you need? Start by determining the resources needed for your business. Knowing how much you need to start your planned business will allow you to make more informed decisions in your next steps.
For more information on starting a business, visit powerhomebiz.com.